Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the heal function to remove parts of your picture if there is an unnecessary detail by using the Visoir application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should select a picture from your gallery that you want to edit. After that, click on the third button down below, which is the heal option. Here you should either zoom in if you want to apply the eraser more precisely. So brush over those areas that you want to erase from the background. You can see how it looks like. You can also select the size of your tool down below on this slide, so it can be smaller and bigger. For example, if you want to get rid of these lines at the background, you are going to size it down a little bit so that you can brush across that area more precisely. If you want to restore it with the restore brush, you can tap on it and then just simply brush over the area that you want to restore. Again, you can select the size of your tool down below. If you are done with it, click on the apply button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you will be able to finish this healing process. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.